flashy face. I mean, not flashy face, a solid face. And this means I am going to ovulate tomorrow or next. And this gave me a very solid, sorry I doubted you. This first gave me these two solid lines, like there's no way you can miss this. It's been so much better than what I've been getting. Today I am going to be doing a live ovulation test with this machine I got. $30. Oh, $41, including tax from Walgreens. So this one is the advanced digital ovulation test because it shows you when it's low, when it's high, and when your hormone is at its peaks. So I'm going to try it and see if this really, I mean, it's supposed to work. That thing is freaking expensive. Unlike the $1 one I've been doing. I've been doing those ones to keep track, and then this one for these 2 or 3 days that I'm likely to ovulate. So let's see. So let's see, it says Clearblue Ovulation Digital Advanced Digital Ovulation Kit. So it's 10 test strips inside. So it shows you that. And then I'm gonna pee in this cup. You see what it came in. I opened it up and took. So this is actual strips, test strips that will go into this one. And those arrows. There. And these were the instructions, to open it up, make sure it's pointing towards each other, and then this will flash before the test ready will show. And then you can either pour your urine like this, pointing it downward. If you can really put it, it's kind of hard to put it in between the streams. Normally I'll just put it in a cup and then pour it with the test strip facing downwards. Or I can just do this, hold it for 15 seconds. That will be easier. All right, since we have this, we're just going to take off the cap. So that's the arrow pointing. This is going to be hard because I'm holding the phone. And then just insert it, I think all the way. It clicks. Okay, it's flashing like it's supposed to flash. I have to remove it and reinsert it. All right, it's ready. So I just peed in the cup and I'm going to try hold this for 15 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I don't know how this is supposed to work, but I'm just gonna put it down here. I normally just pour the urine over it like I was supposed to. Okay, it's flashing, so I was supposed to replace the cap. I just found out. So there's no surge. That's good to know. So not try anything. So I guess we'll try again tomorrow and the next day until we get a smiley face. When I took it out, I saw this double line, but I guess I'll see what it looks like in comparison with positive test, because this would have been the same with this one I just took. Oh, there's supposed to be 2 thick pink line, but when I'm not even getting close to ovulation or anything, I always have just 1 line, clear, nothing else, no faint line. So I guess this is supposed to be, this is like 2 days before my in according to the calendar before my actual ovulation time. So we'll see. So I got a flashy smiley face. This is nice. And this is like, today is my actual expected ovulation day. Today is my actual expected ovulation day. So with this, I have to keep testing more for the next couple of days to see. Today is my 14 days. I mean, the 14th day for my menstrual cycle. And calendar said I was gonna ovulate today. But look at that. This only means that my fertile time is high. It flashes the middle one. It means it's high. So I have to test tomorrow and next and every day until I get this one. This is good. This is good. So when I took out the stick, it's a smiley face. And with this double line, not a stick though, it's only me 3 hours urine. I pee throughout the night, so I didn't think this would work. I mean, I've always been disappointed. I mean, even I do pregnancy tests, they work anyway. So but this was just 3 hours urine, or probably 2 hours I tried to hold on to. I'm gonna try again tomorrow morning. The smiley face is so much better than no smiley face. So I took out the sticks from this one. See this, what do you call it? The lines are blue. And this is not even an early morning urine. See, that's why this one is more expensive. So cycle day 15. Let's see. Still flashing. So cycle day 16th and it's still flashing. No problem. I'll try again later in the night. The line is more visible though, but the same thickness. This one is showing more. Still flashing. This evening of cycle day 16. I'm gonna take out the sticks. Okay, lines are still looking the same. This is $1 line, and this is a strip from the Clearblue. All right. If the line is getting darker, we'll try again tomorrow. All right, we have a flashy face. I mean, not flashy face, solid face. And this means I am going to ovulate tomorrow or next. This means ovulation is going to happen in 24 to 48 hours. And this gave me a very solid, sorry I doubted you. This first gave me these two solid lines, like there's no way you can miss this. It's been so much better than what I've been getting. And can you imagine, I am going to ovulate and this is cycle day. So this is cycle day 17. Can you imagine? I thought I would have ovulated the day before yesterday. But instead, I'm going to ovulate tomorrow or next. Cycle day 17. Wow. So, I can't believe I really doubted this one. So even if I didn't buy the Clearblue, the $1 tree would have given me what I was looking for. So I'm gonna keep this canister for next cycle, if if I want to use it again, because it should still be working when the smiley face disappears. It's going to stay that way for the next 3 days. And this is just when I was about to run out of this test strips, because I only have 5 left. And minus this, it will be just 4 left. Sorry, I think I have only 3 left. I had only 3 left. And my smiley flashy face has been flashing for 5 days. So this is the 5th day, and I got a steady, solid smiley face. Excuse my face, but this means I'm keeping the good news to myself, but hubby is not coming close to me. Yep. I see the difference. Look at that LA surge. The test line is thicker than the other line. All this time I've been testing, they always looked, they were always like the same kind of thickness. But I see a big difference. Alright, so I don't really have the time to keep a notebook on this, because this is the first time I'm really doing ovulation test. And I wanted to share how it's been done. So this was from my cycle day 11. See how, even if this has been old, but this was a little thicker, and this was a thin line on the test line. Cycle day 12. Still the same, not much difference. Cycle day 13. See that? Nothing here. And at this time I had drank a lot of water. I had just finished eating, and it was just a 2-hour urine. Cycle day 14, which was the day I got the flashy smiley face. Cycle day 16th in the evening, just 16th. Cycle day 16 in the morning, and this is morning for cycle day 17. You can see how different the test line was actually thicker than the control line, and that's how we got a steady smiley face. While on my $3 test strip, so this was cycle day 11th. Look at that. Nothing, just a faint line on the test line. This was cycle day 12 in the morning, cycle day 12 in the night. This was cycle day 13, and this was cycle day 14. Cycle day 15 in the morning, and cycle day 15 at night. There was almost no line there. All right, cycle day 16, which was yesterday. Look at, last night was a little more visible. And then this was this morning, cycle day 17. Isn't that wonderful? Look at the difference in the line. So it's been 2 days, approximately 48 hours since I got the steady smiley face, and I started having cramps on cycle day 18 since I tested positive cycle day 17 in the morning. Started cramping since yesterday morning, and then a little bit of cramp today, and whitish discharge. So I'm probably started ovulating yesterday, and I'm still ovulating now. Whitish discharge on my pants, and then this is still showing 2 lines. All right, thank you for watching, everybody. Stay tuned for our next video. Bye.